Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video I'm gonna show different types of beautiful um, pebbles frame decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and classic pebbles and stones decoration ideas. You can see it is very colorful and unique classic stones, and you can make different jewelry for this stone, and I hope you like it. You can make different amazing pebbles, ring, stones, ring, different classic stone rings, earrings, necklace, and etc. But in this video, I'm gonna show different amazing pebble home decoration ideas. You can see it is very unique and beautiful ideas for yourself, and I hope you like it. Then you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, viewers. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.